Hi, this is Mrs. Mallet, and today we're going to be talking about multiplying polynomials, and more importantly, with two monomials. So I have two monomials right here, and the way that you do this is first you're going to multiply your two coefficients together. So in my example here, I have 6x squared times 3x to the 8th. So multiply your two coefficients. So 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, so now you want to look at your x's. You have x squared and x to the 8th. You make sure you apply your product rule, which states that you're going to add your exponents together. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So now my final answer would be 18 x to the 10th power. Okay, so now what if I have a monomial and I want to multiply that times the binomial, or two terms? You're going to distribute. So you're going to take my negative 3x here and multiply it times the first term, which is 5x squared. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Now you want to look at your x's and add your exponents together. I have 2 here, x is here, and 1x here. 2 plus 1 is 3. So my final answer here for the first term would be negative 15x to the third. Now take that negative 3x and multiply it times the negative 4. Two negatives make a positive, so that's going to become a positive 12x. So my final answer would be negative 15x to the third plus 12x. So now let's multiply a monomial times a trinomial, or three terms. You're going to do the exact same way that you did with the binomial. So you're going to distribute. So you're going to take that 4x and multiply it times the 3x squared. 4 times 3 is 12, and once again add your x's, so you got 12x to the third. Now take your 4x and multiply it times your middle term of the negative 5x. So 4 times negative 5 is negative 20, and then add your x's. So now you have negative 20x squared. And lastly, you want to do it to the last term. Take that 4x and multiply it times that positive 6. 4 times 6 is 24. So lastly, I would have 24x. So my final answer would be 12x to the third minus 20x squared plus 24x. So make sure when you're multiplying by a monomial, if you are having a binomial or a trinomial, you're going to distribute your terms. And make sure when you're doing this, you're going to add your exponents together.